Let's go! Look at this big O. O is for. Let's find out together. Let's meet some cute animals that start with O. O is for owl. I'll say hoo-hoo. Can you say hoo-hoo like an owl? O is for octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O is for otter. Otters love to swim and play. Can you pretend to swim like an otter? O is for orange. Oranges are round and full of vitamin C. O is for off-road car. It can go on bumpy roads. Vroom, vroom. O is for all-tanker. It carries fuel to help cars and planes go. O is for Oberon. Oberon is one of Uranus' moons. It's super cold out there. O is for oval. Ovals look like stretched out circles. O is for octagon. Octagons have 8 sides, like a stop sign. We learned so many cool words that start with O. Let's say them together. Octopus, otter, orange, olive, off-road car, all-tanker, Oberon, oval, and octagon. Great job, everyone! Thanks for learning with me today! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy English World. See you next time. Bye-bye.